In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Logitech M720 mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the M720 from Logitech, in order to perform a reset, you will have to use their software Options Plus or Opti Plus. So, in order to perform a full reset, you will find the option within their software. If you already have it, then open it up, but if you don't, look for the Logitech Options Plus app. You will find it on the official Logitech website, so you can go over to support and then choose the option of downloads, or just look for Logi Options Plus on Google. In here, you are able to customize various settings about each different mouse, including the profiles that you have. So open the software, and as long as you have your mouse connected to your PC, your laptop, or any device, it should appear right here, so the M720. Now click on it, and this will bring up all of the details. You can see all of the assignments for each button, and if you would like to perform a full reset, you have to go over to these settings at the left. So choose settings and now scroll all the way down, and as you can see at the bottom, you will be able to find restore to default. You also have the option to remove the device, so as you can see, this device will not be reconnected automatically. You will have to pair the device again, so choose whichever one you prefer. If you would like a full reset, then choose this option here. This will restore user device settings to their default, so all of the buttons, the connectivity, the profiles, and so on. Just choose this option here to perform the reset, or if you would like to remove the device from this specific PC or laptop, choose the other one. And as soon as you click either of these options, the reset will be performed and it will be like brand new. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Logitech M720 mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.